Hola amigos, welcome to Fatima Spanish Kitchen. Today recipe is going to be a salad, a vegetarian salad that the funny thing is I made it for two friends that are vegetarians and they love it, and I said, I wanted to share with all of you. A compartir con ustedes una receta de una ensalada vegetariana que se la hice a unas amigas y les encantó y la quiero compartir con todos ustedes. We are going to use garbanzo beans or chickpeas, that is also known like this, but use a good quality ones because I found it that they are very tiny and they have so many skin that are no good to have it in this salad. I really wash them really well. I run water, fresh water, and I dry them really well. You can do that salad as chop it as you want, but you wish. I'm going to show you my way to do it. So we have here 4 Campari tomatoes that I'm going to cut, smaller. So I have in a bowl, I'm going to add it to my bowl. Then I have here 1.5 cups of garbanzo beans that I already washed it, how I show you. And also I try to peel them, a little bit. If you see some skin, that is obviously that is out, I just take it out. I have here 1 tablespoon of red onion. I put it like this. You can chop it smaller or bigger, whenever you like. And a little 1 teaspoon of sunflower seed. Also I have some pumpkin seed, and I have here the sesame seed that I already toasted. I have here an avocado. That avocado is a Hass Avocado ripe enough. I just cut it. You see that is perfect. And what I do is always twist, to take it out, and then I cut it in slices. That is how I always do. Go and deep enough so you can take it all. And now with a spoon, I just scoop it, all the avocado. And I put it in my tray. Cut it in slices. But I mean, if you like the avocado to be bigger slice, feel free. Mix it really well. The avocado sometimes get. Want to do it ahead of time, do it everything except the avocado. The avocado have to be the last thing that you do. I like to do Morton salt on the salad, and that is like more crispy, and some black pepper. That is to taste. The vinaigrette, I have here some mustard. I have a whisk, a small whisk. I have some mustard, a little bit. I like to, to add some mustard. That is Dijon mustard. Vinaigrette is 3 tablespoons or 3 spoons, or how you want it, for 1 of vinegar. That one is a cherry vinegar. And then we whisk really well. If you like more acidity in your salad, add more vinegar. You can add apple vinegar, another type of balsamic vinegar, any other type of vinegar, but I like to use the cherry vinegar. You mix it really well. I'm going to try. Perfect. Mix it in our salad. We mix everything really well. This is the vegetarian salad that I wanted to share with all of you. I don't know if I said that the extra virgin olive oil, you have to use it for salad, not regular one, extra virgin. If you like this type of video, and before you leave, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a super wonderful week, and I see you next time. Bye-bye.